What's up guys, this is Justin. Hope you guys were inspired by that video. This is your Regen weekly update. What is the gospel? Well, Ambassador hits this one out of the park. Here's his response over here. Make sure you check out that video. And for those of you who are thinking about relationships or you're already in a relationship, make sure you check out what Esso has to say about getting prepared for marriage. And you can check it out over here again. And that's all for this week's Regen Weekly Update. For more, check out forregeneration.com. My name's Justin. We'll see you guys next week.